friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I thought I would take you along with me as I go visit my local Lowe's. Lowe's is having its January clearance event, and I am on the hunt for a few items for my home, and I figured, hey, if I can save some money along the way, why not? You guys know I love decorating with style on a budget. And Lowe's also sells home decor. So let's go in store and see what we can find. One of the first things I spotted were these fire pits, guys. It used to be $73.99 and now it's half off at $36.99. And they had a few to choose from. So summer is coming up, guys. This is the perfect time to go shopping if you are in need of an outdoor fire pit. Next up is home decor. You guys know I love plants, and Lowe's right now has some really cute plants on clearance that you really need to go check out and take advantage of. I also saw this really cute cabinet on sale at half off. So guys, make sure you go check out your local Lowe's home improvement stores because you never know what you're going to find. I did see these really nice art prints. These were on sale for a great clearance price. As you can see there, that one's already gone. They have pillows if you are in need of some winter pillows, also on clearance, and curtains, guys. If you are in need of some really nice, sturdy, very affordable curtains, make sure you check out the home decor section at Lowe's and look at their curtains. They had tons of different styles to choose from. So if I needed some curtains, I know I would certainly be on the hunt at my local Lowe's. They also have blinds on clearance, guys. Look at these prices. Blinds are so expensive, and these are Levelor, so they are a very nice brand. This is a great price for Levelor, so I wanted to let you guys know about this awesome clearance event going on at Lowe's. If you're like me, a lot of us may not know that Lowe's also sells home decor, and when the seasons change, they also put it on clearance just like every other home decor store. So again, I found these really awesome outdoor security lights. These are wired, so if you're looking for those, go check out your local Lowe's. And I am in love with this style lamp. Again, it is half off from $120 down to $60. This one here also very nice. They complement each other. They had tons of lighting options on clearance, guys, as well as ceiling fans. Look at these prices. So if you are going to do some home improvements or some home remodeling, make sure you go check out your local Lowe's. They also had a lot of outdoor lighting on clearance. As you can see, these landscape lights were $2. Very great price. And their tools, guys. If you have a tool head in your family, Lowe's is the place to go right now. Just so many items on clearance, and I'm excited to show you what I was able to pick up. Look at this shelf. Oh my gosh. And did you see the price? Let me show you. $18, guys. Yes, $18. So now let me show you what I picked up. All right, guys. So as you can see, there were a lot of clearance items at Lowe's. So if you are looking for home decor items on a budget, make sure you head over to your Lowe's. They have tons of things on clearance for the new year. One of the things I picked up was this ring starter kit. Normal price was $99, and I was able to score this ring kit for, wait for it, $24.99. Yes, this is a battery operated outdoor motion activated spotlight, and I was able to pick it up for $24.99. So I got not one but two. So very affordable home security system to go along with our Ring doorbell. The next thing that I picked up that was very affordable, and I absolutely love the design. It's out here in the garage because we're not ready to put it in yet. This light was normally $269, and I was able to pick this up for $57.99. Love the aesthetic. It will be perfect for our loft for the summer, so can't wait to get that installed. Also, if you have a man in your life who loves tools like I do, I was able to score this awesome tool chest for $189. They have tons of chests on sale right now, so if you have a guy in your life, or even you yourself, who might need a tool chest, make sure you go check out your local Lowe's for their clearance chest. Now, of course, you cannot have a tool chest without tools. They have tons of tools on clearance, as you saw. So we picked up this Cobalt, what is this? It's like a box cutter, I guess. It was on clearance at a half off for like $5. We also got this Mechanics 65-piece tool set. It was on sale for $9.50. We also picked up this large accessory kit that you could use with your drill. This was, I think, $15. So they have tons of tool clearance. So again, if you are a DIYer and you do not want to spend a lot of money for your tools, head to Lowe's right now for their January clearance event. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I like to bring you budget-friendly home decor options. So when I was at Lowe's and I started seeing clearance, and then I started researching on YouTube and I saw tons of clearance videos, I just had to bring it to you guys. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will have lots of home decorating videos coming soon. I am going to incorporate a few different items into my decor content this year that I think is budget friendly and you would enjoy it, or I hope hopefully you enjoy it. So my last video was a 2-week budget grocery shopping haul. Normally we spend twice that much for groceries. So yeah, I wanted to put myself on a spend challenge for the year to see how much money I could save over the year. So if you're interested in that sort of thing also, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below. I don't want to keep doing those type of videos if you guys aren't really interested, but I thought I would go on a budget saving journey this year and would take you along with me. So if you're interested in that, please let me know. But back to Lowe's, again, you can find some very affordable home decor items there as well. I showed you guys tons of clearance, and I am so happy with the wall fan that I picked up for less than $60. Normal price $260. Like, what? You cannot beat that price. So if you're interested in those type of things, make sure you hit the subscribe button to become a member of the family, and I hope to see you in the next one.